dragons are safe and we can celebrate.
And don't forget about the annual Christmas race at the crossroads happening tonight.
But there's only 2 hours left.
Don't worry. Ryu can give me an elemental power boost so I can finish our mech by then.
Speaking of Ryu, where is he?
You mean this punk over here?
Huh? Hey, let Ryu go.
Sorry, Ryu would love to be here, but this holiday season is over.
You will regret this.
Oh, I'm not going to regret this. You know how valuable a baby dragon is?
Come on, Sora. Don't worry, Ryu, I got you. Sora, catch!
I'm coming, Ryu. Ryu, I need you to help unlock my power again. Can you do that? Thanks, Ryu. Now let's go get Aaron.
This is the last time you're ruining my fun, and I'm going to end it. What? Crap.
Hold on, Aaron.
How dare you ruin the Christmas spirit?
Look, I don't want any trouble, so just get out of my way, old man.
Naughty children must be dealt with.
Sorry to break it to you, but I'm the one with the weapons here, not you. So get out.
Witness the power of the Christmas spirit. Santa,
What? How?
never underestimate the jolly fat men.
And handle this. Ah. Crap.
Thanks, Ryu.
Now let's get out of here.
Wait, Christmas has barely begun. I've got gifts to give.
Santa, am I glad to see you?
And thanks for defeating Rapton, by the way.
Ah, there it is.
What's this?
Open it up and see for yourself.
Whoa! That's a manual on how to do spinjitzu properly. Thanks.
I'm glad you liked it, my dear. But now it's time for the next gift. Sora's gift.
What's this do?
Why don't you use your elemental power to find out?
Okay.
This device will allow you to use your tech power longer, so you can practice your ability more.
Wow.
And last but not least, Ryu's first Christmas gift. Where is that little jam? There it is. This relic is one of the most powerful objects in the universe. It can teleport, it can... or it can be eaten, apparently.
Ryu? Never mind.
Sorry about your gift to Ryu.
Not to worry. Christmas will be here again next year before you know it.
Hey, Santa, want to join us in the Christmas race at the crossroads tonight?
Yeah, and you can try the awesome Christmas treats made by Aaron after that. So, Santa, are you coming?
I wish I could, but there's so many children to deliver presents to, and so little time to do so. So I guess this is farewell. I haven't got time to dolly, so off I go.
Bye, Santa.
See you next Christmas, and a jolly happy New Year to you.
Here goes the wind, sweet silver wind, all in just ain't no cares away. Christmas is here,